Hi everyone, it's Wednesday 8 pm and I'm back with Subsidy series called Subsidy Simplified Part 2. So quite often I used to get a lot of enquiries from people asking like they are planning to start a new business, any subsidies are available. So today I'm going to explain about an amazing scheme that support almost every business activities from chalk to cheese, and that scheme is called PMEGP. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. As the name suggests, the scheme supports employment generation programs or opportunity or business enterprises. So what is PMEGP? It's a flagship product of Ministry of MSME which supports projects up to 50 lakh in manufacturing services and 20 lakhs in service business. Now, who can apply? Anyone who above 18 age are eligible for the scheme. There is a minimum education qualification of 8 standard if your projects exceeds 10 lakhs in manufacturing sector and 5 lakhs in service sector. So the scheme is eligible for only one member in a family. So either you or your spouse can apply, not the boss. So what kind of business are covered in PMGP? This is exciting part. It supports almost huge varieties of business activities. Let me say food, agro-based industries, textile industries, chemical industries, rural, handmade, fabrics, dairy farming, poultry, beekeeping, and even sericulture. So if you want to start a dairy farm, or if you want to start a apiculture, or you want to start a bakery, or you want to start a drone based industry, or you want to start even a saloon, here is a chance for you. Now, how much money you can get? So now let's talk about the numbers. So there are two categories, that is the general category and the special category. So let's start with general category. So general categories, in urban area you will get 50% of subsidy, and in rural area you will get 25% subsidy. So let's say your project costs somewhere like 10 lakh rupees and your project is in urban area, you will get 1.5 lakh rupees subsidy, and if your project is in a rural area you will get 2.5 as a subsidy. So here the margin contribution will be like somewhere 10%. So the special categories are the women, SC, ST, minorities, etc. So for them, if your the project is in urban area, you will get 25% of the project cost, and if it is in a rural area, you will get 35% of the project cost. So now, how to apply for the scheme? Applying is super simple. There is no hectic long queues or hassle paperwork. Everything is just online. You have to go to a website called www.kvic.gov.in/PMEGP. Upload your Aadhaar, PAN card, your qualification details, your project details, and based on your project details, a score will be given to you. And this your application will be reviewed by KVIB, KVIC, or choir board, and it will be, once it is approved, they'll be pushed to the bank for further processing. Now, one of the most important part, and you are successfully running an existing PMEGP unit or a Mudra unit, you already taken a Mudra loan and started one business, and you want to go for further expansion, and your unit is running good. Now you can get a second PMEGP loan, and that too for the project up to 1 crore under manufacturing unit, and project up to 25 lakhs under service sector can be taken under as a second loan under PMEGP scheme. So this will be my final thought. Take the action today. PMEGP is not just a product for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's about creating or building your dreams, creating jobs, contributing to the economy. So stay tuned every Wednesday 8 p.m. for more subsidy related schemes and benefits. Till then, bye bye.